Good morning, everybody, and welcome to the Manufacturing Summit. We're quite excited today to be partnering with the Biz Times and sponsoring this event. We were asked today to bring some information to you on a recent survey that we took with our members. So let me tell you a little bit about it. Okay, recently, when we took our survey, most of our members, over 90%, by the way, are involved in lean principles and lean processes. And as a result of that, they have demonstrated that they have seen significant improvements in reduced inventory, increased quality, produced flexible teams with increased skills, increased velocity, reduced waste, and improved customer relationships. So much so that this year, 42% are going to use lean as a growth strategy. Okay, they're going to see lean being used in product development, customer service, sales, accounting, and administrative services. So what does that tell us? Lean is not just for manufacturing. Lean is a proven culture that will bring you closer to your customers and will help you deliver your goods and services in the best possible ways. Our members know that, and so they believe in it, and they do it. Let's talk a little bit about people and costs. At least 30% of our members are going to hire production workers this year. Unfortunately, last year, over 80% had layoffs. Some had 4 and 5 rounds of layoffs. The good news is, though, we are bringing some of those people back. Over 50% of our members will provide an hourly increase of about 2.5%. 62% of our membership reports that they have seen an increase in healthcare costs at an average of about 11% this year. 44% of those members will pass those increases or some of those increases on to their employees. Let's talk a little bit about sales. 85% of our membership say their business is stable or growing. That is huge from last year, and actually the last half of 2008 as well. Over 81% predict an increase in sales anywhere between 6 and 25%. An average of 82% of those sales will be domestic. I think there's opportunity here. Outsourcing. When we polled our membership, we wanted to know what areas they would think about in terms of outsourcing work. The three top areas that were at risk for outsourcing was engineering and design, human resource management, and IT. Probably no surprises in those 3 categories. The green movement is quite abundant. We see a lot of green. We hear a lot of green. Manufacturers want to be good corporate citizens, and so they do everything they can to give back to the environment, to take care of the workers, to provide safe places. However, 71% are interested, of course, in doing more of this. Only 7% at this point are interested in LEED certification. And that would probably be because LEED certification does not lend itself really well to the manufacturing facility today. Okay. All right, let's talk a little bit about challenges for 2010. I say 2010, but the honest truth is it's always these are always the same challenges. Attracting and keeping great people, global competition, revenue growth and cost management, commodity drivers, innovation, tax base and business incentives for established businesses, and cash credit. We certainly learned that cash was king the past year, so management of that is critical. With every downturn, there's an upside as well. So things to think about in terms of manufacturing, and these are what our members are thinking about: acquisitions. There's opportunity to buy companies and to acquire companies today. Capital equipment deals. Go out and buy that capital equipment. Good people are available as a result of lots of downsizing. Companies have gone out of business. Typically, within the Paranet organization, we might have 5 or 6 of our members who are senior executives in a job search. Last year, we saw 40 to 50. It was huge. So, opportunity out there. There are many good people in a job search. Cost initiatives have improved purchase power. So that's a good thing. There is more cash. Companies are in the black. And so, one last word. Go out and buy something. Go out and buy a service, buy goods, so we can all go back to work and make something. Thank you.